Hi guys, welcome to this Vicinity video on how to do your own DIY green wall using our modular green wall system. Come in close and I'll show you how this works. This system here has got water tanks and an automated irrigation system. So we have the master tank unit with a float valve. This can be connected to our water supply, so this will top itself up automatically. We've also got an overflow connection, so if you're putting this indoors, it's completely suitable for indoor projects as well as outdoor projects. This master tank is connected to a secondary tank. We use this clever little waterproof joiner system. This is a waterproof grommet that sits between the two tanks, and you can see inside there those tanks are now joined and the water will flow freely between the tanks. Once your tanks are on the wall, you can install these aluminium rails. Your pot clips on and off these rails, so that is the basic structure that makes the product work. There's some parted holes provided on the tank so you know where to put the rails, and when you follow those holes, all the spacing is handled for you. All you have to do is make sure your rails are installed vertically using a spirit level. Once your tanks are in and your rails are in, you're ready to install your irrigation system. The irrigation system is a really simple process. We've got a little submersible pump. This submersible pump connects onto irrigation pipe. We've got a little push elbow connector system. That's very easy. You cut to length, you push, and it plugs and it clips together, makes a waterproof seal, and you just press that onto the pump, and your pump is also connected to the pipe. This pump is then connected to a supplied power transformer, which you will plug in onto a timer, which will turn your pump on and off. We've got a little filter system here on the pump. This is to stop any debris, so you can clean this from time to time, and that helps to keep any sediments out of your dripper system. So once you have installed your pump, you install your dripper line on these pipe clips that are supplied. You cut your dripper line to size. We provide a punch in our system. You punch the little hole where you want your dripper, you push the dripper in, you cut this pipe, push it onto the dripper, and that's your little dripper line assembly. This would then be inserted into the top of the pot. This is your water entry hole in your pot, so that would sit inside of that hole, and the water drains out of the pot through this little hole here, and it drains through all the pots back into the water tanks below. I've done a little planting here just to show you how to prepare your pot. This little bag is designed to hold the soil in place and also help to move the water around evenly inside the pot. So a correctly prepared pot has a bit of a lip on the bag, so it keeps all the soil in place. The bag ties into the pot, so you put your loose ends through the hole, you tie a little shoelace knot, push the loose ends back through, and now everything's neat and tidy and ready to be installed. You don't need to overfill the bag with soil, enough for the roots of the plants, and what you fill the bag with will depend on whether you're doing decorative or indoor or outdoor plants or vegetables. This pot then just clips on like that, and there you go.